Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 1st, 2024. The winds are calm, first day in quite some time. And yesterday we got our new paper mulch in, so we'll see how that works out and all. So I'm over here in the west garden plot. I still have some work to prep first. Here are the blueberry bushes in this area here, and we've been using the DeWitt weed mats for years in our gardens. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is we're going to try, instead of mulching with weed mats, petroleum-based products, we're going to try and mulch this area with paper like we do cardboard. But we've used up all of our cardboard. And the other day, I went ahead, came over here and tilthed up the weeds, dug a lot of the weeds up, then tilth the area pretty much with a little tilther. And then I laid down some of the leaf mold. I used the Avant 860i to reach over the tops to drop in some of the leaf mold. And I did add some ammonium sulfate as well as a nitrogen source and as an acidifier as well for over in here. So today we're going to try a new product, something I haven't tried before. We ordered this online through Gempler's. So when we're mulching the area, since there's plenty of weed seeds in here and there's lots of weed roots that are still underneath the ground, that are underneath the surface of the soil, and we want to try and do as little weeding here as possible. And so in place of cardboard mulch, I ordered 3 rolls. These are 48 inches long, and they're 150 feet long. And it's a cardboard paper product here. Thicker than packaging paper, but certainly not as thick as cardboard. Probably one side of cardboard is the thickness of this. And we got this through Gempler's online. I'll put a link to it. We didn't get any deals. There's no affiliate or anything like that. Just providing you with the information about it. Now, even cardboard products can have contaminants in it. Everything has microplastics in it and phthalates as well. So it's a real struggle trying to get as natural as possible. But cardboard products have worked out very well for us in the past. We do like it, but it doesn't last as long. But possibly this will work out, so we'll see. So Thea's gone to the post office to drop off some books. It's Saturday in the morning time, so she's doing that. I've been picking the rocks over here and just sort of planning the area out. Today we're just going to do the area where the thornless blackberry plants are here. So that's the plan. We'll see how things work out. See if we like this or not. Oh, we'll be putting double ground hardwood bark mulch on top of it. Okay, there we go. Well, it's the end of the day. Thea and I just finished getting the new paper type sheet mulching material down. We used one and just a little bit less than a half of a roll here, or about a half a roll. One more box left here because we'd order 3 rolls. Used about 9 yards of the double ground hardwood bark mulch over here, and so far it's looking good. We went pretty thin with the double ground hardwood bark mulch so that we could get it to expand, so that we could extend it to the point where we could get all of the areas done. So that's good. I just used the hose to moisten down the double ground hardwood bark mulch and the paper product below it. Its thickness seems pretty good. I'll have to do some more touch up in here, adding more of the material down. If I were to start off fresh and new, I would use 4 foot like we did order, and I would keep the rows exactly 4 feet apart so that you just have a little bits of spaces. We had to put cardboard down in between some of these rows because we're spaced a little bit further than 4 feet apart. So we will see how this all turns out. I do like the material. It's pretty good. You know, no cardboard is absolutely environmentally 100% environmentally friendly, but it's certainly better for the environment and better for our health than using the weed mats, which have been proven and do work very well for us. But if we can switch over to this, and this will be the year that we try to figure this out. And yes, I've got to really thin things out a lot of work to do, a little bit behind with things, but I do like the way that double ground hardwood bark mulch looks. It's aesthetically pleasing. It has a nice aroma to it, and it's easy to spread out. The paper roll mulch, you know, basement, what we call sheet mulching that we did do, our ground wasn't completely even because I had laid some of the leaf mold down. There were still some sticks and still some rocks in there, but we didn't have any penetration. So when you're stepping on it and working on it, getting the double ground hardwood bark mulch laid down on it, the paper's thick enough, you know, it's resilient enough not to easily poke through. Now, once it starts getting really moist, it'll conform to every nook and cranny, and we'll add more double ground hardwood bark mulch. It would be ideal if you just have to sheet mulch it once, and then every season come in and put another thin layer of the mulch down. That would be ideal, and that I could handle. And it beats weed whacking, pulling weeds, all of those things. Now, weeds will still come up at the base of each one of these because it's, you know, there's an opening in the paper and the cardboard. But we'll see. And wetting it down, I think, will really make a big difference as far as allowing moisture to get down to the plant. So I'll probably wet it down again tomorrow. And of course, we'll have the drip irrigation on automatic so that it will go on every night as it's supposed to. So far, I like the paper product. We'll see how well it holds up over time, and we'll keep you posted. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And by all means, folks, stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and enjoy the evening. I'm going to go rest. Take care. Bye-bye now.